Hello, ESL 78 students. I promised you I would do a YouTube video, and I hope to do a few more to help you through your lessons. But what I'd like to do today is just go through your packet. You got a big packet the other day in class, remember, on Monday, and some of you did not get the packet, so I sent them to your homes. If you did not get one, please let me know and give me your email address, or better, your mailing address, so I can just send the packet to you. So what did the packet contain? Let's go through it a little bit because I will be talking about this during the lesson. The first thing that your packet contained was the answers to each of the textbook exercises by chapter. Now this was chapter 6, so you can go through. If you did not finish chapter 6, you can finish it and check your answers. Chapter 7 is the one that we're doing actually this week, and answers are due on March 21st. It's Friday. This is 7. It's actually a short chapter. So what you can also do is log on to Canvas, and on the syllabus, check on the hot link, and that gives you the link to the textbook website. And then you can watch the video, you can listen to the audio, it has everything. What I gave you also, in addition to the textbook exercises, was a packet that goes 2 for each chapter, and they're just extra worksheets. We've done them in class, so you know what they are. The first page of the worksheet is an explanation. The second page of the worksheet is a workbook, exercises, and the answers are in the second packet that I gave you. So you do have all of the answers to every worksheet. I started from 7 because we stopped in class about chapter 6. So you have 2 worksheets per, and that's just extra. I may start assigning them for homework later, but I want you all to get used to this process. The other thing I gave you was a summary. Every chapter has a grammar summary with exercises. So the grammar summary will probably start on chapter 7, but I gave you the packet from 1 to 12. 7 will have everything that we did in that one chapter, the grammar. It will have a little practice exercise, and it will have the answers. So going through this again, you have the answers to all the textbooks exercises. You have the extra practice worksheets with the answers in a separate packet that I gave you. You also have the grammar summary. So you should be fine. When you go through, just click on the syllabus, click on the hot link, and you'll be able to go through just like we did in class. I will try to make you another video, especially if the concepts get a little bit more difficult. So we'll be doing this on the board. Your textbook, I have everything on the desk in front of me. Your textbook, chapter 7, this is what we were going through today. And hopefully we're going to be going through it this week. Very interesting readings. Only really 2 grammar concepts that we have to talk about. One is comparing things. So let me give you an example of comparing things. You can compare things with a preposition like. So you can say, I am like my sister. We both have blonde hair. We're both about 5'3". We both have blue eyes. So that's giving a comparison. So you can also use a comparison when you're talking about a verb. So normally we'll say as when we're saying I speak as quickly as another person from New York because I am from New York. So this is usually for using a verb when you're describing an action. This is when you're describing a noun. So Los Angeles is like Las Vegas. We have a lot of entertainment. Not exactly this week, as you know, but normally it is. New York City is like Chicago. It's very crowded at times. So here I'm using a preposition. Okay, here I'm using a verb and an adverb, like slowly, quickly. So going through your book, I think you'll enjoy the stories that we have. Sweet Songs and Strong Coffee, that's a very good one you can listen to a few times. Then we also have a movie. So this was The Town with No Wi-Fi. Very interesting. How would you do anything online? That would be a really good question. At the very end, of course, is your grammar review. And you remember that I copied the grammar review for you and also the answers for you. So chapter 7, the homework that I put online for you in the homework section. I hope you know how to do that. You click on the homework and you submit it. You click the top, it says submit assignment. You type your assignment in there, and then when you're done, you click submit assignment again. And then it will go to me, and I will grade it, and I'll put a grade in my grade book, and I also put a grade in my regular book. So I always have what we call a backup to the grades. So that should be about all you need, and I hope you continue with the class. I'll do another YouTube video probably later this week for you. I'll be sending your YouTube videos. They're private because I only want you in ESL 78 to see them. So I will put a private setting on them, and then I will also send a link to you in the announcements, and you'll be able to see the video. So even though I can't see you, I know you're there, and we all just have to be brave, and hopefully I'll see you in a few weeks. We'll be back in the classroom. So take care of yourselves. Until next time, bye-bye.